Now I'm going to do, I should have opened some words. There's two different ways to do words. I'll kind of try to bring them in. One of them, you just do a text, and that's what we'll start off with. And um, just drop it down somewhere, and I'm going to start with fun. Now you can't see it because it's way over down here, so that's what you have to be like, okay, you can't see that. We're going to drag it up here to the top. It's also, so then I want to work on it. It's brown. I don't want it brown. Select the color. Maybe like a light bluish gray. Yeah, I just select it from the page. And I also wanted the font to be, let's see, I'm just going to do there. I've been using this one a lot lately because it's fun and it's my new font. All right. Now the problem I run into a lot is words on top of multiple things. Is it, do you write it back, front? That's where effects comes in good as well. Usually, um, you have to click it on the T, sorry. And I actually don't like that color. That's why while I was waiting, I decided I didn't like the color. I'm going to go for something darker. And in fact, I'm even going to go a little bit brighter than the background because it's going to stand out a little bit more. Okay, now I have it that color. And I'm going to put a little shadow on it. And that helps, but I want it to do more. So I'm going to do a little bit of an outer glow because it's a dark color. So an outer glow would work nicely. So I'm going to put a little outer glow. That's not it. I mean, it is, but there. That's what I'm looking for. And click the little FX here, and you can have some control over that outer glow. Maybe a little bit bigger. There we go. And I don't want the yellow. I wanted like a white, the white that matched the paper. And I don't know. I think I need a little bit more of a glow. A little bit darker. There, that's what it needs. A little darker. There. Fun. Oh wait, I'm gonna save. I promised. File, save as. Ooh. Just a second. There it is. It's 10/8/29. I like to save mine as the date. That way I know when I'm putting the book together about what order they happened in. And then a keyword. And we need to save as. No, I need Terranoli pictures. Okay, now it's saved. We're going to add our other words. At. But I don't want to keep the same color. We have too many fun colors going on here. Again, I probably will keep the same idea of up here. So we're going to go ahead and select that one. Layer, style, copy layer style. Select that layer, layer style, paste layer style. Now this one needs a little bit more shadow because it's such a light color. So go back to the shadows, drop shadows, and that one's not working. That one's not working. So I'll open it up and just intensify the drop shadow. Make it a little darker. Make it a little, oops. This one always confuses me. Okay. Distance. And I don't know. I don't think you can do a glow with dark colors. It just doesn't show up. It just becomes nothing. Which I think I'll just turn off the outer glow because you can't see it anyway. Okay, so fun at, I don't know, fun at the and let's try to pick a color. And we'll do the layer style, paste layer style. Fun at the, now is where I'm going to add in the other type of way to do letters, I think. If I can. As you go, you have what's called alphas you can collect. And I'm going to go get my alphas under my scrapbooking, type, main, alphas. And let's see, I saved my A's on top so that I knew which ones I was looking at because I got tired of opening every file to figure out which alpha I wanted. And I'm going to go, I think these, Moody Blues. I wonder if these actually are all Moody Blue stuff. They all seem to go together. And we are going to select Shift P A, actually it's R and okay. Open with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so now I want, well, I'll just duplicate layer park. That's the name of the file. Duplicate layer. Duplicate layer. Duplicate layer. And now we're back to here, and they should all be here, but they're probably on the bottom, which they are. So again, you select them all and drag, then drop them on top. Down here is where we're going to use them. You select off of them so that you can, there, P, oops, don't want to change the size, so P, A, R, K. That's how you use alphas. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I want to shrink them all slightly, so I'm going to select them all. And alright. Fun at the park. And so, I don't know, this wasn't that great a page, but it's fine, and I was able to do it in not that long a time, so I'll go ahead and save it. And then after I save it, I collapse it.